Every 100 years they hit the great reset button to reboost the economy and do things a whole new way, y'all. COVID wasn't bad enough, so they sent fire. If they wanted to, they could have put this fire yesterday. No, if you got underlying illness and you're always running to the doctor, you must go, because you're not giving back to society.
We're trying to be careful,
So,
keep it short.
a certain percentage of people must die in America before they cut that switch off. The last time they hit the Great Reset button, it was
So far, I
1918.
have a daughter that has asthma.
Man, I know some
She's
people,
inside today.
well, they got asthma, they got breathing problems, and they always going to the doctor. And y'all know health care absolutely get a 0 for black and brown. Can I get a whoop whoop?